Well, welcome back to our channel. We're here in Central Texas, where we're about to tour a Triton dome home. The Triton dome has three domes, three different diameters. This dome here, to my left, this dome is a 36-foot diameter. The dome in the middle is 42-foot diameter, and the master bedroom dome here on the other side is 32 feet in diameter. For me, this is one of the most unique pieces of this house, is this patio. They built this after we left, and they came up with a guy that was kind of a pool builder, a tradesman, and they put this together, and I really like this. This concrete patio is something we have not seen a lot of. So this dome has an inset opening, that's what we call these, and you can see what they've done here with the front doorway. I think is really cool, especially these front doors. I really like that. It's got that rustic modern look. Very cool, very cool. So let's go on inside. We're gonna take our shoes off here at the door. And we'll step inside. This is one of the most fun parts of dome living, right? Is you walk up to the outside of the dome, it looks kind of small outside, right? When you walk in, it's quiet, it's cool, and it's very spacious inside. And these guys have done a great job of really leaning into the dome. You've got these curves going both directions, and they've highlighted them both. Very beautiful. So the homeowner, leaning into this circular design, also leaned into this all natural design. So all of the finishing work is just this natural wood or a natural wood color. You can move right over to the dining room table where we've got this live edge. It looks awesome. The light fixture, I mean, everything here is just this natural homey feel. And that blends right into the living room with this charcoal finish and this awesome leather couch. The whole color scheme, it just feels natural and it's really comfortable. So as we move our attention up into the dome shell, there's a couple things you can note. Number one, they really wanted to trowel the dome smooth so that smooth texture matched the drywall texture, thus rendering kind of a connected design. Also, these lights, this was actually a pretty hard find. They ended up using some LED light strips that are actually designed to be used on the outside of skyscrapers. Well, this is a very unique, it was designed to have track lighting, but then they've come up with these other fixtures that just look really cool. And these recessed lights were built right into the shell. And that's where it's important to have a good design so you know where all these elements are going to be. And so when we build the dome, we can have the electrical conduits and the boxes needed so you can hang these lights. All right, so let's move in to the 36-foot dome. Well, first stop is a guest bathroom. One of the things that she worked really hard on was to get these different tiles. And again, they've used that light fixture just right against the dome. So the way that they've put this light fixture here is it's the way they highlight the dome, not trying to hide it, but highlight it, enjoy it, and they've done a really great job throughout this whole entire house. You'll see it, but I just really love the way that light fixture is there. And it's the perfect amount of light too. I love how it distributes. All right, so now down the hallway, one of the first things that I noticed when I got here is the lack of trim on these doors. And she said, no, I didn't want trim on there. And I don't know why, I've just never thought about that. But this looks awesome. I think it looks really cool. Inside these bedrooms now, this is the guest bedroom. So we'll just pop in here. And again, this is just a beautiful curved surface. It really makes a fun flowing room. And she's got these awesome light fixtures. Like every room has this unique light fixture inside of it. This is another really cool find. So the next bedroom on our tour is their son's room. And this is a pretty big bedroom, really spacious. Again, I love the trimless doors. I didn't think I'd like that as much, but that is a really cool look. And these high ceilings. You know, I've lived in domes my whole life, but these high ceilings just make the whole place feel bigger. There's a bathroom here in this bedroom side. I should probably say that. Into the bathroom here, the owner here really made the tile man work for a living. Look at this awesome tile. How hard would that have been to hang and keep it at that same level? All right, continuing on the bedroom side of the house, we'll move out into the playroom. This is a fantastic space. I know with my family, these spaces, they start out as a playroom and they can transition some other day into a bedroom, and this is going to be great. So let's take a walk over to the other side. I love as we walk to the other side how they preserve the dome, right? We've got these arched openings and then boom, you come into this main living space. Again, very impressive. Love it. And so this side of the dome is the master suite. Very impressive. All right, so this whole entire dome is the master suite, and they've really gone all out on it. They've got this, obviously the bedroom area, but they've built a little bit of a patio porch here, which is kind of fun. Just a little place to kind of sit out here on the porch and look at their beautiful property. Then we move into the bathroom, and one of the things, this customer, she grew up in a large family and they always had to share bathrooms and be together. And so they really wanted to have a bathroom that was big, had some space in it. So you can see the dual sinks and this awesome bathtub. And then probably one of the most impressive features is the primary bathroom's shower. They've got a really cool tile work here. Again, the guy they hired to work this tile, I mean, it's just a fantastic work. And this wonderful light fixture highlights that curve of the dome. I think that is such a cool fixture. So no primary bedroom suite would be without an awesome closet. And they've really gone all out with this one. One of the first things you notice when you walk into this closet is this cabinetry they did. And we were talking, and they just love, the carpenter built this beautiful round element here. Allows them to put their laundry here, fold it, do all the things they need to do inside their closet. This is just a cool space. This is, again, a really cool space. Leaning into the curve of the dome, using the curve in the furniture. Very beautiful. I really like the light fixtures in the dome shell. You know, I think this is something that often is overlooked, right? But when planned correctly, these lights can seamlessly be in the concrete shell. Makes a really just a very finished look.